You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts! Imagine biting into a crisp, fresh leaf of bok choy straight from your own backyard, bursting with flavor and nutrients that you nurtured yourself. Doesn't that sound absolutely irresistible? If you're a beginner in the USA looking to dive into the world of home gardening, growing Asian greens like bok choy, tatsoi, mizuna, and pak choy can be your perfect starting point. These versatile, nutrient-packed veggies aren't just easy to grow. They're a gateway to healthier eating and a more sustainable lifestyle. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about how to grow Asian greens, from planting seeds to harvesting bountiful crops, all tailored for American climates and soils. Whether you're in the sunny Southwest or the cooler Northeast, we'll cover the best light and temperature setups, the correct watering routine to keep those roots healthy and strong, fertilizing and pruning tips for that lush, vibrant growth, and even common problems with simple, effective solutions. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll feel confident turning your patch of earth into a thriving Asian greens paradise. Let's get growing. First off, let's talk about why Asian greens are such a fantastic choice for beginners in the USA. These leafy wonders, including varieties like Chinese cabbage, komatsuna, and mustard greens, you originate from East Asia but have adapted beautifully to American gardens. They're fast-growing, often ready to harvest in just 30 to 45 days, which means you get quick rewards without the long wait of slower crops like tomatoes or corn. Plus, they're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with antioxidants that boost your immune system. Perfect for keeping your family healthy through those changing seasons. In the USA, where we have diverse USDA hardiness zones from 3 to 11, Asian greens thrive in cooler weather, making them ideal for spring and fall planting in most regions. If you're in Zone 5 like parts of the Midwest, or Zone 9 in California, you'll find them forgiving and resilient. The key to success starts with selecting the right varieties for your local climate. For warmer areas, go for heat-tolerant types like Joi Choi, Bok Choy, while cooler spots might love the cold, hardy Tokyo Bacana. You can source seeds from local nurseries or online suppliers that cater to USA gardeners. No need for fancy imports. Now planting Asian greens is straightforward. Even if you've never held a trowel before, begin by choosing a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sunlight, but we'll dive deeper into light requirements soon. For soil, these greens prefer well-draining, fertile loam with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5 that's slightly acidic to neutral, which is common in many USA backyards. If your soil is heavy clay, like in some eastern states, amend it with compost to improve drainage and prevent root rot. Start seeds indoors in trays about 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost date. Check your local USDA zone for that. In Zone 7, for example, that might be around mid-April. Sow seeds about 1/4 inch deep, keep the soil moist, and watch those tiny sprouts emerge in 5 to 10 days. Once they're a couple of inches tall and the outdoor temps are above 40°F, transplant them outside, spacing them 6 to 12 inches apart depending on the variety. For direct sowing, wait until the soil warms to at least 50°F. Mulch around the plants with organic material like straw to retain moisture and suppress weeds. A simple trick that saves you time weeding. Speaking of light, getting the best light for Asian greens is crucial for robust growth. These plants love full sun to partial shade, ideally 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. In hotter USA regions like Texas or Florida, afternoon shade prevents bolting. That's when they shoot up flowers too early and turn bitter. Position your garden bed where it catches morning sun and gets dappled light later. If you're container gardening on a balcony in a city like New York, south-facing spots work wonders. Temperature-wise, Asian greens are cool season crops thriving between 45°F and 75°F. They can tolerate light frosts down to 25°F, making them perfect for extending your growing season in the USA. In warmer zones, plant in fall for a winter harvest under row covers. In cooler areas, spring planting avoids summer heat. Monitor your local weather. Apps like those from the National Weather Service can help, and use shade cloth if temps climb above 80°F to keep leaves tender. Watering is where many beginners trip up, but with the correct watering routine, you'll ensure healthy roots that support vigorous plants. Asian greens need consistent moisture to develop those crisp leaves without cracking or becoming tough. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, either from rain or irrigation. The key is deep, infrequent watering to encourage roots to grow downward. Shallow watering leads to weak, surface roots prone to drying out. In the USA's varied climates, check soil moisture by sticking your finger an inch deep. If it's dry, water thoroughly. Morning watering is best to reduce evaporation and fungal risks, especially in humid areas like the southeast. For containers which dry out faster, you might need to water every 2-3 days. Overwatering causes root rot, so ensure good drainage. Underwatering wilts leaves, but a quick soak revives them. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, and in dry western states, drip irrigation systems are a game changer for efficient watering without waste. Fertilizing your Asian greens properly will reward you with lush, abundant growth. These fast growers are moderate feeders, so start with a balanced, organic fertilizer like a 10-10-10 mix at planting time. Incorporate compost into the soil for natural nutrients. It's eco-friendly and improves soil structure. Every 3-4 weeks, side dress with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer such as
Plant the
fish
seeds in a shallow
emulsion or
trench.
blood meal.
In
to
slow
promote
motion, watch the
leafy
earth
growth
part as
without
tender sprouts
overdoing
emerge.
it, which can lead to leggy plants. In the USA, where soil nutrients vary, a soil test from your local extension service tells you exactly what's needed. Avoid chemical fertilizers if you're going organic. Instead, use worm castings for a gentle boost. Pruning ties in here. Regularly harvest outer leaves to encourage new growth, keeping plants bushy. Pinch off any flower buds to prevent bolting, and thin seedlings to proper spacing for air circulation. This simple pruning keeps your Asian greens productive for weeks, extending your harvest. Of course, No garden is without challenges, but common problems with Asian greens have easy solutions. Pests like aphids and flea beetles are frequent in USA gardens. Spot them early as tiny bugs or holy leaves. A strong spray of water dislodges aphids, or use insecticidal soap for stubborn cases, safe and effective. For flea beetles, floating row covers at
To
planting
prevent
time
bolting during
act
this
as a
heat wave, we shade
barrier.
the Asian
Slugs
greens.
and
This simple
snails
method keeps the
love
plants cool and
moist
extends the
greens.
harvest.
Handpick them at dusk or use beer traps. Shallow dishes buried with beer attract and drown them. Diseases like downy mildew thrive in cool,
Fresh
wet
Asian greens thrive in
conditions.
balcony
Prevent
containers.
by
Simple care yields
spacing
vibrant,
plants
healthy
for
growth. A rewarding
airflow
harvest
and
for your urban
watering at the
home.
base. If it appears as fuzzy spots, remove affected leaves and apply a copper fungicide. Bolting from heat stress. Provide shade and harvest young. Nutrient deficiencies show as yellow leaves. A quick compost tea fixes nitrogen shortages. In alkaline soils common in the West, add sulfur to adjust pH. With these tips, you'll troubleshoot like a pro.
Time to
As
feed
you
these
get
Asian
the
greens some
hang of
rich
growing
compost.
Asian
This organic
greens,
matter will nourish the soil.
experiment with succession planting. Sow seeds every 2 weeks for continuous harvest. In the USA, this means fresh salads from March through November in many zones. Companion planting with herbs like dill deters pests naturally. And don't forget, these greens are versatile in the kitchen. Stir, fry bok choy,
In the
add
face of
mizuna
extreme
to
weather,
salads,
this greenhouse
or
nurtures
steam
resilient Asian
tatsoi for
greens,
sides.
securing our food
Growing
future.
your own reduces grocery bills and carbon footprint, aligning with sustainable USA trends. Now, if you're ready to transform your garden, grab those seeds today and start planting! Your first harvest of homegrown Asian greens is just weeks away. What are you waiting for? Head to your local garden center, get sowing, and watch your green thumb flourish. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.